Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing all external media. This prevents shorting and accidental boot. Once done, put on an ESD strap and position the Chromebook screen down on a soft cloth. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bezel clips gently. You want to avoid cracking the bezel. Remove visible screws with a small Phillips, keeping screws organized by location. You do this first because exposing the hinge area and hinge screws is required before any screen lift. It speeds the rest. Once the bezel is off, lift the display assembly slightly while supporting both hinges to prevent stress. Locate the display cable and the webcam ribbon, unlock their latches and slide connectors free. This is crucial because forcing them breaks pins. Unscrew hinge mount screws and keep them matched to their holes. Carefully lift the panel straight out of the lid. You'll feel where adhesive or clips hold it. Handle the panel by edges only to avoid pressure spots and fingerprints on the new screen. You should seat the replacement screen in the lid and reconnect the display and webcam ribbons in the same orientation you removed them. Locking the latches ensures good contact. Tighten hinge screws to secure alignment, then reattach the bezel clips. Before fully reassembling, power on to test for image, backlight, and touch if present. If nothing appears, make sure the main display cable is fully seated and the latch is closed. If still blank, connect an external monitor to isolate GPU versus panel issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.